Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get the trending effect called swinging head on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. The effect basically makes your head or whoever you point the camera to swing as if they're enjoying the music. So let me show you how to get this effect. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search and search for swinging head. It should appear in the search results and look like this. Tap on it. Now check out how others have used this effect in their TikTok video. There is a trending music with this, which should automatically be set once you use this effect. If you don't see this effect in your app, then it means it's still not available in your region and you need to wait until TikTok releases it in your area. Once you're ready, tap on Use Effect on any of the videos you're watching. The effect should start right away once it sees a face. Now record your video using the effect and then post it on TikTok. And that is how to use a trending effect called swinging head on TikTok. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.